ginagawa mo?
Meanwhile,
Hello, welcome to my channel.
Hi guys, so for today's vlog, this is our Boracay trip. We are here at NAIA Terminal 2 departure. Based on our experience, make sure you come early in the airport earlier than your scheduled check-in, at least like 2 to 3 hours before. As you can see, there are heaps of people lining up. Before you reach the entrance, make sure you prepare all required documents such as your flight ticket, vaccination card or certificate, and your valid IDs. Better if those documents are printed so it's easier to show. So this is the self-service check-in machine. You can do an online check-in here and have your boarding pass and baggage tags printed. So once you reach the counter, you just need to check in your baggage and confirm all your flight details. So you have to take the bus going to the airplane, and that's our airplane, the small one, not the big one. And here we are here in Boracay. Finally, our first trip to Boracay. It took us like around 40 to 50 minutes for us to arrive in Boracay because of the weather. And here we are reaching the arrival area. And this section, you can see us queuing around, waiting for our baggage to be dropped so we can claim it. So in our trip, we didn't book it as a package. We booked everything separately. We booked our ticket with Cebu Pacific, and we did a on-the-spot booking for all the transportation, environmental fee, and the other fees required in Boracay. So as you can see, there's transportation counter. So this is where we apply for our Boracay transfers because we didn't organize anything yet from our end. So we booked one with Southwest transfer. They're very good, guys. I highly recommend them. They have their own van. They have their separate areas for the waiting area for the boat. So we paid like 800 pesos per person, inclusive of everything. Say hi. Hey. R2. So here we are at Caticlan Jetty Port. The travel time from the airport is around 1 hour and 45 minutes. What's good about Southwest, they have their own specific area, so we don't have to queue for a long time and to ask around because Southwest tours have their own area. You can just go there directly, provide all the documents, and then wait for your boat. At this point, you have to show your health declaration with QR code, vaccination card or certificate, and confirmation of your booking in the hotel or accommodation. You will also validate your QR code here that is attached to your health declaration. Please see the link below for the application of health declaration. And then this is the area where you need to wait for your boat, and at this point they will give you the number, the seating number, so that you would know where to sit once you go inside the boat. So here we are going to our boat. We're so excited. At this point, look at the water. It's so clear and clean, and this is just in Jetty Port. It's not the Boracay Island itself yet. And these are the chairs. They're organizedly numbered. You would find it easy for you to see your chairs. So we're number 55 and he's number 56. It's very organized, guys. Highly recommend Southwest tours. From Caticlan Jetty Port to Boracay Island, it will only take 5 minutes. Hi! So here's the drop off, and we're on our way to our van, where our van will drop us off in our hotel. Okay, so here's our van. So each van has different directions depending to where you book your hotel. So with us, we just don't go inside with any van of Southwest Tour. So there's a specific van well you will be getting in because that van would be going on the same direction where other passengers will be going to. So here guys, on the way to your hotel or accommodation around station 1, 2, 3, you can also see the shops here and the D-Mall. And that's the D-Mall Plaza. After we settled down, we went around already to Boracay. And here's my partner, Char. So beautiful, D-Mall Plaza. You can buy all the souvenirs here and you can choose whatever you want to eat. There's also Jollibee for those who wants to eat Jollibee in Boracay. There's Jollibee, Chowking and everything. Beautiful Boracay, very accessible. Wherever you are booked in the hotel, the beach is very accessible and the sands are really pure and plain. So here guys, this is in station 3. We went here for the acoustic night, fire dancers and live band. So it says, some of my friends, they say it's a must to go here. So we went here on our first day so that we can witness this activity in Boracay. There's no entrance fee or so, but you just need to be there early because sometimes when it's fully packed inside, they won't allow you to go inside anymore. So you can go in as early as 4 p.m. and I think the show starts around 7 p.m. And inside there's also food. So here we are after the long walk. We crave for tuk neneng and some palamig. And we went inside to some chairs in there and then went around as well to check some souvenirs. Ayan. So here's the fire dancing show. Very lively performance. You will not regret going in this D-Hub because the fire dance is so fantastic, and you can have also take a photo. You can also take a photo with them or video while they're doing the fire dancing in front of you. But of course, you need to line up and wait for your turn. But while lining up, you can, party because they play a lot of good songs in there.
Okay, go.
And now it's my turn.
Ibang pose naman po. Video!
So on our second day, we went to our parasailing activity. We only, according to our budget, we only had the parasailing activity in our Boracay trip. They also have a banana boat here. They have a lot of activities. They have the crystal kayaking. They have all the packages there. But for us, we did the parasailing. So in here, this is the other side of the Boracay beach where they do all the activities. So it's done separately in the area. So we have this kuya. I forgot his name, but Kuya Joey, there you go. So he gave us a discount for the parasailing activity. I believe we paid only 1,200 pesos per person, wherein the others offers 1,400 pesos. So just look for him and he will give you good discount and he will guide you through. And in this area, this is where we pay in cash and then they give us like a waiver form and some instruction for safety purposes. The good weather, guys. So here you will get on the boat and they will assist you through, don't worry. And we are on our way to the waiting area. There's a floating waiting area where you need to go before you get into the actual boat to do the parasailing. So that's the floating area. So this is the waiting floating area. You can sit around, put your things inside the chairs, and also there's also water here and some snacks that they sell. So make sure you bring some cash if you need to. And behind this, you can see all the activities. You can take a photo. And here's our boat for the parasailing. We're so excited. So that's how it looks like with the parachute and everything. So once you are on the boat, they will assist you in setting up your gears and everything. and there's a separate person who will take you a video. So they're very professional guys, so don't worry about taking your moments or taking memories during your parasailing experience. They're very expert of it. They will take your photo, a good angle, just look at that. And they will also take photo in between, so you have a lot of options to take and to post as well in your social media. So we did the parasailing for around 15 minutes, and you will see there such a good view of the side of the Boracay beach. It's so beautiful, and we're so thankful that even though it's a gloomy day, it's so perfect weather. It's gloomy, it's not so much sunny, it's also windy. So these are some of the photos that they've taken. They also did some choreography while they're pulling us back to make a heart shapes. And there you go, that's our trip in Boracay. I hope you enjoyed this simple video guys, and given a lot of information that you need for your Boracay. Thank you, and don't forget to like and subscribe.